Chat GPT tutorial for beginners. Yeah, this is a complete tutorial. There are four major aspects of Chat GPT that we will explore now. Number one, what is Chat GPT? Number two, how to create Chat GPT account. And number three, how to use Chat GPT. Yeah, you'll use Chat GPT today. Number four, how to sign out Chat GPT. So let's head on to the number one. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is an AI chatbot by openai. It is an AI chatbot that can reason with you as if you are communicating with it, no matter how lengthy your discussion is. Yeah, chat, you drop your questions, it gives you the answer. Yeah, even if you're trying to compare one thing to the other in a long discussion, yeah, for over 2 million or billions of people around the world at the same time, it generates instant answers. Yeah, there is no delay to how much answers it can give to you. Yeah, whatever you chat, within a split seconds, you see the answer to your question. So it can generate answers to your essays, to codes within a split seconds. Yeah, ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that has retentive memory. It can actually remember your previous conversations with it and compare and relate it to exactly what you're saying at the moment. For example, if you want to explain quantum physics and Pokemon and relate them to each other, no matter how lengthy your conversation is, ChatGPT is the best chatbot that will give answers to those sort of explanation. Number two, let's go over to how to create ChatGPT account. With ChatGPT, yeah, when you understand how to use ChatGPT, you'll be able to connect ChatGPT to your chat app. Like you can connect ChatGPT to your WhatsApp and it will work like Zenith Bank Ziva or like UBA Leo. And we have that video in this video description. Yeah, how you can connect ChatGPT to WhatsApp is in this video description. Yeah, ensure to hit the thumbs up now. Give this video a thumbs up. Click subscribe and share this video. Now let's get to number two. And what's the number two? How to create ChatGPT account. Let's proceed. Create ChatGPT account. The first thing you want to do is to open your browser and search chat.openai.com. Chat.openai.com. Now you tap on sign up. I already have an account before, but I will be showing you everything from scratch. Now you see, create your account. Please note that phone verification is required for sign up. Yeah, you can actually sign up your ChatGPT account with your phone or your laptop. Now your number will only be used to verify your identity for security purposes. Okay, now you input your email address, create a password, tap on next. Now you can decide to save your password in your phone or you tap never or you just close it. So the moment you open it, you'll be asked to verify your email. We sent an email to click the link inside to get started. So let's scroll down and see the mail. You see it came in. You have to open your email they sent to you and tap. They sent you something they said you should tap on just to be sure. You see it's a message from OpenAI. You tap verify email. Tell us about you. Your first name is? My first name is Ogechi, in case you do not know. My last name, that is your surname, the surname you bear. That's your father's name, if I should say, the surname. Now your date of birth, when you were given birth to. That's in order of, you write the month, you write the day, and you write the year. You tap continue. Now you input your phone number. Now you see send via WhatsApp. Yeah, you can also receive this from WhatsApp. Please solve the puzzle so we know you are a real person. So what's the puzzle? Tap on start puzzle. Now what it's telling you here is direct this hand to where this animal is facing, and to direct it you use this arrow. Direct this animal to where those fingers are facing. You see now it's correct. Now you tap submit. Now you see where it's facing, the finger, you see that, right? Now you tap continue. They just want to be sure you are human. Now you direct it. Is this right? I hope this is right. Right? No, okay, this is right. Now you tap continue. Now you see verification complete. Please enter the code we just sent to you. They just sent a code that is to verify the phone number. And now you see it's coming in. Look at the top of the phone. Yeah, I'm doing this with my mobile phone. So you can do it with your mobile phone or your desktop or your laptop. It all works perfectly and it is free to create OpenAI account. There is nothing special you need. You see that, right? It just came in. Yeah, the SIM card is in this phone. That's why it detected automatically. If the SIM is not in your phone, you have to look at it and type it manually. So now we have created a Chat GPT account. So let's move to the number 3, how to use Chat GPT. The moment you log in, you just tap on send message. What in the world would you like ChatGPT to solve for you? Yeah, it does that professionally. Let's say you want to ask how to earn money, because I know you search that a lot. In fact, it's on your mind right now. How to earn money on WhatsApp. How to earn on WhatsApp, whatever. If you're even wrong, it can correct it. Now watch the response of ChatGPT. It extracts the answer within seconds, like I assured you. Now look here. You see, you can scroll to see it. Look at business promotion and it explained, affiliate marketing and it explained, consultancy or freelancing and it explained it, content creation and it explained it, group management and it explained it. And now there are so many ways you can use ChatGPT, and all of this you can simply copy it. You can tap on select all and copy it. And now let's say you want to ask this question in another format. You could say make the above funny. Now it's generating the same answer in a funny manner. Let's say if you want it to be more like fun, sure, here's a funny take on earning money on WhatsApp. So you want to earn money on WhatsApp? Well, it's time to unlock your inner entrepreneurial genius. Just remember, there is no WhatsApp money fairy who magically deposits cash into your account, if only. But fear not, my aspiring money maker, while WhatsApp itself won't shower you with cash, it can be a tool in your money making arsenal. It's like having a Swiss Army knife, except instead of a tiny pair of scissors, you have a platform with billions of users. Step 2. So you see, step 1, start by offering the world's most sought after service, meme consultant. Yes, you read it right. People need expert advice on memes. You'll be their go-to person for all tiny, funny, and relatable. Create a WhatsApp group called Meme Masters and charge a fee for your daily dose of laughter. You'll be the meme mogul of your neighborhood. So you see step 2. So you see, just observe the explanation of ChatGPT and the time it gave it. And you can also say any sort of question you want to customize. Let's say you want to explain physics in 5 sentences. You see, in any field at all, ChatGPT answers you correctly, perfectly within a split seconds. You see, physics is the study of matter, energy, and the interaction between them. It seeks to understand the fundamental laws and principles that govern the universe through mathematical models and experiments. Now look on, you see, watch this. How many sentences are here? You see that, right? So it's just an amazing app in 5 sentences, and it summarizes it in 5 sentences. So think, what question is in your head? What are you wondering? Just create an account with ChatGPT for free. Ask it. It will be your discussion partner in a most funny, creative, and instant manner. Number 4, how to sign out. Now, if you want to log out, like sign out of ChatGPT site, you tap on this three bar at the top right here. You scroll to this your email. You see this three dot here. You tap on logout. Check this video description to get more from this channel.